also have to remember, South Cotabato rather, and Kyle Tolentino knocks down the three. He's got 8 points. It will take Nico Elorde. Tolentino free for three. Pasok yan.
You just gotta love the mechanics on his shooting.
Away by Hamito. Tolentino all alone.
He wanted to slam that. Medyo napitik lang yung talon.
Tolentino all the way to the cup. Walang bantay doon. Another defensive breakdown. Expectation tayo. Kaso hindi mamimit niya yung hindi kayang i-meet ng Imos ngayong araw.
And South Cotabato made sure that those upsets wouldn't happen today. At least in their game.
Oo. Preco. Tolentino for three. Yes, that's 3-pointer number 14 for South Cotabato.